Hello everybody, I'm Adrian and here I am at the Ferrari Maserati dealership. So first time seeing the brand new Granturismo in person. And what do you guys think? I think it looks great. We can see some of the similarities between the older Granturismo. So another 2024 model. So it looks like the gap doesn't quite line up flush. So yeah, the Modena, I believe it's got 30 more horsepower than the previous generation. So this one's from 2008 to 2012 based on the front bumper, because that one's got the fog lights. But it's great that they have them here almost side by side, so that's the new one. But yeah, I think oh, this is an MC. So yeah, I think the new one looks beautiful. Let's check out the interior. Oh, that's a really nice dash in the front. Yeah, I liked how they kept the clock. That's a nice touch, keeping the clock. I like the interior. Huge paddles like the older Granturismo. I haven't heard them in person, but unfortunately it doesn't have the V8 anymore. And the MC20, I think they did such a great job with this car. It looks awesome. So Maserati's been stepping it up lately with the introduction of the new Granturismo, the Grecale, and the MC20. So I think especially like this one, the MC20 is gonna help out improving the image of the brand, because before this car the Granturismo was the flagship model. The brand new Ferrari SUV, the Puro Sangue. Some nice looking wheels. I'm glad they put the V12 on this one. And then here we have a Ferrari F40 manual transmission. Got a ride on the new Maserati Granturismo, and the performance, it's a lot faster than my Granturismo, even though this is rated for I think maybe like 30 more horsepower, but it feels way more than just 30 more horsepower. I think it might have to do with the fact that it's twin turbo, so the torque is there, and being a 8-speed transmission, it gets up to the RPMs much faster. So it definitely feels like it's got way more than just 30 horsepower. So I gotta say, I definitely was impressed in the performance. And I'm I'm sure there'll be companies making exhaust and everything, so somebody that wants something more aggressive, that will probably come later.